Hi there. Let's try to understand a basic concept on AI. And I'm sure once you are able to grasp this concept that I will be discussing in simple terms, you'll gain enough confidence to talk about AI. But first, let's imagine this. You call a fast food and you ordered not one, but 1,000 burgers. So probably the fast food restaurant will not be able to serve you, right? So let's convert that into uh, a business request, for example, within the healthcare industry, for example. Assuming there are 1,000 claims for insurance benefits. So those claims go to the brain of the computer, which is the CPU, and we all know that, right? But the CPU is sequential. It does things step by step, and with multiple claims, like 1,000 or even more, that CPU would need additional workers, right? And we call that a GPU, a graphics processing unit. So what the CPU does, it uses what we call a CUDA, C-U-D-A, to tell the GPU what to do. So perhaps a set of GPUs would read the claims, another set of GPUs would check whether the information in those claims are correct, etc., and so on. And one thing nice about GPUs is that they do things all at once at the same time. They're not sequential. That's why they're very fast. And we're talking now about mathematical calculations of probabilities in quadrillions of computations per second. And these GPUs, since we are talking about the healthcare industry or insurance, they have a cheat sheet. It's a temporary file that they use to teach them how to do those tasks. It can be a small language model wherein, let's say, it is about a very localized topic about insurance, or if they need to do a lot of research, they would need a large language model. So in a way, they are cheat sheets used by